Today I'm going to show you how to get basic user input and also print on the terminal. So to get user input, we'll need a variable. So this variable is basically going to store the data that the user is going to enter. I've created a variable I've called it name, and then also going to use the input function. So the input function is what allows us to get the user to enter something on the terminal, and we can use that data in our program. So what we need to give the input data is a message. So this message is basically directed to the user. So if I want the user to enter their name, I'll just say user and enter your name. When I run it, you'll notice that allows the says enter your name. And then if I say my name is Bright, nothing crashes. So now to actually print something to the terminal, we use a function called print. So everything that we want to print must be inside this bracket. If I say name, let me just make it a bit fancy and just say my name is. Now, when I run it, it says your name, and then I'll just say Bright. It says my name is Bright. So this is how you get user input on the terminal and also how you print on the terminal.